Hey, Nickie Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So we have some fresh broccoli crowns. Just one that we purchased from Kroger. And I'm just sauteing that a little bit. On camera it doesn't look like a lot, but it's a good amount of broccoli. It's a whole like head or crown of broccoli. And we're having it with some Lotus Foods organic forbidden rice ramen, and we're gonna cook them in some vegetable broth. So this is exciting, something a little different, and I'll show y'all the final outcome when it's done. So now we have our broth, and we're going to allow that to come to a boil. And what I am going to do is add some of my Earth Balance butter and some of my Thai red curry paste. So this is going to be delicious. It's going to have a little bit of a kick to it. And here is our sauteed broccoli. See? And so it's almost time. As soon as this water boils, I like to keep the lid on because that keeps the heat in and it allows it to boil faster. See you in a little bit. All right. Now our ramen is done, and we're just gonna take it and pour it. And I'm gonna take my chopsticks and mix it together. Perfecto. And now I'm gonna give it a little taste. Delicioso. All right, y'all. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.